Hey guys, welcome to Reagan's Tour Review. Today we're talking about Cars 2 and it's a 4-pack.
Cars 2 4-pack.
And we got Shu Todoroki, McQueen, Francesco Bernoulli, and who's that guy?
His name is, let's turn to the back, Miguel Camino.
And I am so excited to open these with you.
Okay, here's the box so you guys can see. Really cool looking box. They've got the little cutout right here.
There was a little cut there.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay.
So I'm going to open it like that.
Alright, go ahead. Let me zoom in. I'm going to come. Well, let me come back out. Let's see. Alright. Take it out of the box.
Yep.
Let's take this.
Steadied.
And we'll just take this like this and go. There you go. Alright. Let's see. There you go. Here, I'll tell you what. Why don't you hold this?
I got it.
You hold the camera.
Okay. Got it.
You got it?
I think.
Watch your fingers. Yeah, let me see that.
It's a rubber band.
Okay. Actually, you hold the camera and just hold her just right there. Okay? Can you get it?
Yep.
Alright. I'm going to bring a real thing to work here.
A pocket knife.
Yeah, this thing. You getting all that?
Yep.
Okay.
Watch out for your
Flip this
eyeballs.
and- Yes, watch out for your eyeballs. Always cut away from yourself, never towards yourself. Oh, there go the cars.
Whoa. See that, guys?
Looking kind of crazy.
I'll get them off.
Alright, I'm going to switch over to the close-up view. That's a nice picture. That's nice and clear. Okay, so we've got Shu Todoroki.
This guy looks really good. Look, Dad.
It does. Can you hold Shu while I pull this out? Okay, there's Shu. That's the one you've been waiting for.
This guy's Shu. Whoa. Look. Oh!
Nice.
Let's try.
Alright. Well, they really box these things in, don't they?
Yeah.
They use like a little type of rubber band to keep them mounted.
Oh.
Yeah, Francesco rolls nice, doesn't he? Francesco Bernoulli.
This guy rolls really good.
Let's see what this guy does. Ooh, this guy's smooth.
This guy's
Super smooth. Let's see Shu. Wow, nice.
That's mine.
Boom! Ka-chow! Kapow! Ka-chow! Need Mater. What are you guys doing? Awesome, man. This is a really cool set. Really, really cool set.
And
We
if
like
you
it.
have other guys like Shu or the green guy.
Carla, I think that's her name.
Carla, I have Carla. Watch this.
Yeah, Shu is an awesome car. Love that car. Alright, so there we go. This is the 4-pack. Well, let me say, it's one of the 4-packs that you can get. One more time. Lightning McQueen, Francesco Bernoulli, Shu Todoroki, and I've already forgot the Miguel Camino. That's it.
Yeah.
Forgot his name again. Miguel Camino.
And in the next video,
What are we going to do in the next one?
we are going to do
Decisions. We
Some
can do
Ninjagos.
some Ninjago action on you. Do that, some Ninjago action. We got some Angry Birds. We got a Beans racetrack. We got some more Ninjago to unbox.
Okay, let me do, on the next video, we're going to do Knuckles.
Alright, next video coming up.
Knuckle.
Knuckle.
Live with Ninjago.
Thumbs up, comment below.
Thumbs up and comment below for Ninjago.
See ya.
See ya.